So right now I made cheese this morning, and there's a lot of ways to do it. You can do it with a slow cooker, um, a water bath, Instapot. There's a lot of ways to make cheese, um, ranging from very soft like farmer's cheese or mozzarella to semi-firm cheeses like gorgonzola and things like that, to creamy cheeses, which require a little more technicality, but I have all those tools, thankfully. This is going to be a semi-firm cheese. Now, through the process, you can make, by the way, you can make homemade cottage cheese through the initial process, not at this point, but prior to this. And it actually tastes a lot better than you can make a large curd, small curd, it doesn't matter. Um, I do it the old-fashioned way. There are cheese presses that do all this work for you, or most of it for you, as far as the drying process and the pressing process. Right now, it's sitting on top of a cheese form that has a top that you stack weight on, and it slowly presses it down, and you can slowly increase the weight. This is just an old Dutch oven that I have. I've made a lot of coq au vin in this, which translates to cock and wine in French. But it's mostly you can butcher these days. Anyways, or hens. It's got 25 pounds on it right now. It's on its second to last flip. So meaning, after 15 minutes of it starting, I flipped the cheese, put the weight back on. And I gradually stacked the weight in the first 15 minutes. I didn't start out with 25 pounds. Started out with 5. Added 5, then added 10. Some people even do it slower than that, but I've had the best results with this way, personally. So nothing against the way other people do it. I put herbs in it as well, and it's salted already with kosher salt in the liquid when it was coming up to temperature. I find it's easier to control with an Instapot or a slow cooker. So and then after 50 minutes of flipping, then you wait a half an hour, flip it again, wait an hour, which is where I'm at now, flip it again. If it's not as firm as you want it, flip it again and go another 2 hours. After that, it goes into a salt brine. The rule of thumb is an hour per pound, but it also depends on how salty and how cured you want that cheese. Then you take it out of the brine. I do it for about 24 hours, 12 to 24. Then you take it out, and I just put it on a paper plate in the fridge, my outdoor fridge in the garage, and let it age for a couple days.